Hello everyone. Today we will be taking a question on the topic coding and decoding, presented to you by Anuj Jindal. You can also join our free 20 days RBI Grade B video course, the link for which is given below in the description. So today we are going to take a question which is a very difficult question and it is very rarely asked in the exam, but sometimes it may come, and these type of questions are basically given in the exam to waste the time of the students. And time management is an important aspect in the exam, so we should be aware of these types of questions, and these are the questions which should be left in the exam. These should not be attempted because these questions take a lot of time to solve and they generally waste the time of the student, which is not good for the prospect of the exam. So let's look at the question. In this question it says, in a certain code language only festival for student is written as this. So there are four codes given and only festival for student is written as this. And similarly massive movement in life is written as this. Again four codes are given. Now promote to self, it is written as this. Again four codes are given. Hard work plus luck is written as this. Again four quotes are given. So if you look at here, there are four words in each sentence and four quotes are given, but it is very difficult to identify that which quote stands for which of the word. It is quite sure that one quote stands for only one word, but we cannot find out that which code stands for which word. So in this type of question we have to first identify the pattern in which the code is being formed. So the question here is, what is the code for next time in the given code language? So we have to find the code for next time. So in this type of questions, this type of table is very helpful in solving the questions. Say, you can just mug it up, or you can, at the time of exam, you can write it down. The alphabetical order, first of all, that is from A to Z, then in reverse, that is from Z to A, and also the numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 26. So first of all what we have done is we have identified the code, that is how the codes are being formed. So the first thing says here, the first element is the reverse of the last letter according to English alphabet. So first element means the first element of the code, that is the reverse of the last letter. Last letter means last letter of any of the four words that are given in the sentence. So first element is the reverse of the last letter according to the English alphabet. So let me take an example here, the which was given in the question. Only festival for student is written as this. So the first code says first element is the reverse of the last letter. So if you see, if you find out the code for only the last letter of only is Y. So the reverse of it will be B. So the code's first letter will be B, and the first letter in this code in B is here. So this is the code for only. Now we can also check it out. Like the second thing says second element is the first letter of the word. So second element, that is O. It is correct. Second element is O and only starting with O. So this is also correct. Now the third thing says the third element is the random symbol but different for every word in one sentence. So third element is a random symbol, we can see, but it is different for every word in one sentence. So you can see it, there are four different symbols and they are different for every word. So it is also correct. Now the fourth element is the numerical value. Now the fourth element is the numerical value, it is given here, of reverse of first letter. So what is the first letter of only O? So its reverse is, if you write it in reverse alphabetical order, it comes here and its numerical value is 12. So 12 is written here. So like this the code for only is formed as BO at the rate 12. Similarly, if you look at the code for festival, so the last letter of festival is L, and we know the first element is the reverse of last letter. So if you see in the reverse alphabetical order, L is coming here and its reverse is O. So the code for festival will be this, OF hashtag 21. You can also check it out because the second element is the first letter of the word and the first letter of festival is F. Here also second element is F, and then third is the random sign, that is hashtag, so it is also correct, and the last is the numerical value of the reverse of the first letter. So numerical value of the reverse of the first letter, that is first letter of word festival. So festival's first word is F. So if you write it in reverse alphabetical order, so F comes out here, so and its numerical value is 21. So you can see the code for festival is OF hashtag 21. So this table is very helpful in solving these types of questions. So it is mandatory you mug it up or you just write it down at the time of exam. Similarly, we can find out the code for. So the code for will be the first element will be the reverse of the last letter. So last letter is R. So when you see R in the reverse alphabetical order, it is here. So its opposite is I. So the first element is I. So I is present in this one. So this will be the code for. Also you can check it out. The second element is the first letter of the word. So both are F. It is correct. And third element is a random symbol. The last element is the numerical value. So numerical value of reverse of first letter. So first letter is F. So when you write it in reverse alphabetical order, it comes out here. So again, numerical value is 21. So IF $21 is the code for. So last what is left is student. Code for student is GS percentage and 8 because only one code and word is left. So we don't need to find out the code for this. So now the question was, what is the code for next time? So we have to find the code for next time. We have decoded how these codes are formed. So we can find the code for next time. So the first element will be the reverse of last. So last letter is T in next. T is here and its opposite is G. So first element comes out to be G. And the second element we know is the first letter of the word. So first letter of the word next is N. So second element is N. Now third is a random symbol. We don't know what it will be. So just leave it. Then the last thing is the numerical value. Numerical value of the reverse of the first letter. Numerical value of the reverse of the first letter means first letter is N. If you write it in reverse alphabetical order, then it comes out here. So its numerical value is 13. So the numerical value comes out 13. So GN 13 is what we have found out. Similarly, we can find out it for time. So for time, the first element is the reverse of the last letter. So last letter of time is E. So it's reverse. When you write it in reverse alphabetical order, it comes out here and its opposite is V. So first element comes out to be V. Then the second element is the first word of the letter. So first word of the letter is T. So it comes out T. Then third is a random symbol. So leave it. The fourth element is the numerical value. Numerical value of what? Reverse of the first letter. So first letter is T and when you write it in reverse alphabetical order, it comes out here and its numerical value is 7. So VT 7. So now if you look at the options given, GN 13 is coming in option A and VT7 is coming in, and the symbols which are given are different. So this is the possible answer and this is the correct answer because this is the only code which is matching, because it is said that third element is a random symbol and in this both are random symbols and both are different. So option A will be the correct answer. So the code for next time is GN@13 and VT hashtag 7. So option A is the correct answer. So question, that is a B part of the same question. The question says, what is the code for you create history in the given code language? Now we have to find the code for you create history. So now first of all we'll find the code for you. So for the code for you, the first element is the reverse of the last. What is the reverse of the last letter? That is U. So when you write it in reverse alphabetical order, U comes out here. So its reverse is F. So F comes out to be the first element of the code. And you know, second element is the first letter of the word. So first letter of the word U is Y. So second element comes out to be Y. Now third is the random symbol. So we can just leave it for now. And the fourth element is the numerical value. So numerical value of what? Numerical value of the reverse of the first letter. So first letter is Y. So when you write it in reverse alphabetical order, Y comes out at number 2. So its numerical value comes out 2. So we get the code FY and we don't know the random symbol. So FY2 is the code what we have got. Now let's see the code for create. So first element will be the reverse of the last letter. So last letter of create is E. So when you write it in reverse alphabetical order, E comes out here. So its reverse is V. V will be the first element. Now we know the second element is always the first letter of the word. So first letter of the word create is C. So second element comes out to be C. Now leaving the third element, that is the random symbol, we come to fourth. Fourth is the numerical value of the reverse of the first letter. So first letter of create is C. When you write it in reverse alphabetical order, C comes at number 24. So 24 comes out to be the numerical value of this. So we get the code VC and we don't know the random symbol VC24. So we are just leaving the random symbols for now because then we can match it from the options given. Now we have to find the code for history. So first element will be the reverse of the last letter. So last letter is Y. When you see Y comes out on the second, so its reverse is B. So first element comes out to be B. Now the second element is the first letter of the word. So first letter is H. So second element comes out to be H. Third is the random symbol. Leave it for now. Fourth is the numerical value. Numerical value of what? Reverse of the first letter. So reverse of the first letter, that is H. When you write it in reverse alphabetical order, H comes out here at 19th number. So the numerical value comes out to be 19. So we have found the code BY2 VC24 BH19. Now when you match it from the options, these three options are only correct in C, and in C there are three random symbols, that is at the rate, hashtag and percentage sign, and all three are different. So this is the correct answer because the random symbols also need to be different. So C is the correct answer. So the code for you create history is FY at the rate 2 VC hashtag 24 BH percentage sign 19. So option C is the correct answer. So if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. Also, you can join our Telegram group for regular discussions. The link for these is given below in the description. Thank you.